Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader to get all my indicators and, access to how everything gets like traded and stuff, right? Really quick on SPY, we do have news today in about an hour. So this will determine whether we are going to drop down to 594, potentially 590. Or if we are going to push up towards like a $602, like 602 on the spot, right? And really what we're looking for is you just want a close above either trend, right? So right now, you want something like this, right? On trend, right? You want something like that to actually close above trend, right? Or, right? If this ends up becoming bearish, right? Then you will more than likely turn this candle will probably turn into something a little bit more bearish, like this, something like that, right? Something like that. So we'll see that. This is what you'll probably see, right? So bullish, you want to close above this trend here. If we close above this, I can almost guarantee you that we're probably headed to 602, right? At that point, I'd probably buy like a week or 2 week out calls to 602. They're probably going to hit, right? Or we come right back down, right? And you'll probably hit this 594 and continue dropping to 590 or push back up to 597, right? Really depending on where we are. So as of right now, I would consider price movement bearish because we are actually trading under, right? We're actually trading under the actually close price here. So we actually close bullish, right? A bullish candle and a bullish perfect entry on my triggers. We actually closed 598.07. We're currently at 597.90. So I would consider that bearish movement because all we've been doing is just on this bullish trigger, right? All we've been doing is just trading sideways. We closed up here. You've been trading sideways for the last like 12 hours, right? And that's really because of the news that's coming up. So I would say stay away from the market. If you're swing trading right now, right, until 5:30 in the morning, which is in the next hour, stay away. After you actually get the news, then good. If inflation actually starts coming down, then you just keep buying to the upside. If inflation comes back hot, right, and it comes back higher, I wouldn't necessarily be freaking out, but I do think that we'll probably drop to 594 and continually drop back down to 590 before possibly recovering back to 601. So again, I am pretty bullish towards the upside. It just depends how long we get there, right? We either drop down on a bad inflation report or we actually have a really good inflation report and it keeps dropping and we just keep shooting up to 602. So either way, I'm pretty bullish to this level. We either come back down and retest 594 or 590 and then push up to 602, or we have really good inflation news and it goes down and we keep pushing to 602 probably today onto next week. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.